Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm glad you're back to Alpha Cave. We are here going through stocks again. This is the journey I've had over the last few years with some of these stocks, and we're trying to determine whether we've done good or bad, and if we can improve on what we've done. These are going to go over the dividend, it's going to go over the options, it's going to go over the appreciation of the stock as well. And today we're going to be talking about AGNC, which is a company that is a real estate investment trust. It is a REIT and it gives good dividend every single month. I think you're going to notice the difference between this one and if you look at the last video on Apple that we did as to how we get our income from it. Apple is definitely a lot of appreciation on the stock, and this one was going to be more dividend because it is a monthly dividend and it pays out 15.1% dividend yield, which is really, really strong. So I want to start going over that today, and it's going to be the first time we look at these numbers, so let's see how well we do. And let's start with when we started purchasing this company. It was back in December 13th, 2022, and the stock price at this time is $10.33. The average cost that I got it at was at $10.65, and that is somewhere in the neighborhood of 600 plus shares. We did have another 600 shares above this at one point, but those got called off on one of the options that I sold. Now this company gives a monthly dividend 12 cents per share every single month, and so the monthly dividend that I've made so far, not counting what we should receive, I believe this coming month or this month, is $1,503.24. That's actually not bad over the last couple of years. So starting in March 15th of 2023 is when I first started selling options on this company. I've always been hesitant to sell options on these companies that I want to keep, especially the dividend companies like AGNC and RITM. RITM I still don't sell a lot of options on, but there are some places that I do sell some call options on that as well. Starting back in March, I did start selling these options, and so far we have made $856 extra from just selling options. The stock appreciation has been $436.07. If you put the dividend and the options together, that's $23.59.24, and all together is $27.95.31. So $2,791, not too bad. I did not include the profit that I made with the call option that got called away, which were 600 shares, which was probably another $80 extra on that. Now my current investment into this company is $6,144.14 if you calculate that out. So since I started buying these shares back in December 2022, the return on investment is 45.49%. That's actually really good, I think. I like that we've done very well with this company so far. The company is doing well. I do like RITM better. The price of RITM is a little bit higher than AGNC at this time. This one is monthly. It does pay a little bit more dividend than RITM as well. I do like the purchase of this company. It seems like a strong company, and I want to try to continue increasing that monthly income. So far, I have found that the REITs are very good as far as the dividend that they're paying out. Being able to take that money and then invest it into either this company or any other company, and it really builds your wealth a lot faster than buying some other companies. As long as the REITs are strong companies that you don't have to worry about too much of them going under or anything like that, I think it makes sense to get some REITs. I'm not a financial consultant or advisor, but this is what I do. This is my philosophy on how I want to kind of build wealth from this standpoint, and so that's what we've been doing here. Okay, so that is the road through AGNC. That's what we've done with this one so far. I kind of like the outcome, which is really good. I was hopefully anticipating something good with this one as well. We're going to be looking at other stocks really, really soon. The one that I'm more dicey on is AMC because I started buying it when it was a meme stock, and I'm sure that's a different type of road that we took on that one. So that will be interesting. Maybe I'll do that one next. We have several more to go through to see how we're doing. But overall, I hope that you're getting some entertainment from seeing these things, and actually maybe some knowledge as to how to approach getting some of these stocks, and maybe doing options as well. I do like the option road, because that actually gives you a little bit more benefit. You make more profit, you get that money, and you can really invest it into other companies as well, so you can keep on growing your investment. This is definitely a fun journey for me to go through to figure out if we're doing well with these stocks. I probably should keep a little bit better track, not just mental track of these things, but a little bit better track of how we're actually doing with some of these. But I kind of ballpark it a lot of times and just figure out, okay, that looks like we're doing pretty good with this one, doing well with that one. I know the price is going up here, so we just kind of keep going in that route. But there comes a time sometimes that you have to look a little closer, and I think that was this time now, so that we can kind of catch up on all these stocks, see how we're doing. Of course, I've been trying to get rid of all the old stocks that I had that I didn't like anymore, and so we've been working on that and keeping the better stocks that I do like, that are doing well. So we'll be going through those really, really soon. Thank you very much for joining us. Like and subscribe, and we will continue talking about these stocks and keep on talking money, and we'll talking sports and talking a bunch of other stuff anyway. Guys, thank you so much. See ya.